So you may have seen me do some other video reviews featuring the ClonerAlliance streaming and capture devices, which I absolutely love. Now this one here is called the ViewPro. It's a completely standalone video capture unit that all you need to do is plug it in either a USB drive or SD card, and you can capture from a variety of different sources. So make sure to check for that video when I publish the actual review and demo of it. But right now, let's go ahead and take a look and see what's in the box.
All right, we got a nice looking case in here. Check that out right there. I love that, instead of having to worry about scratching it all up. Oh boy, look at all that stuff in there. All the wire fun. All right, so we have a getting started guide. You can scan the code for a full user manual. I'm going to save that for last because that's the actual unit. So here's that MMI cable, so you can see that connector right there. And then you have all these different connectors, everything from VGA, you have composite, tons and tons of different things here. That is awesome. Power supply, power adapter. Have an HDMI cable, looks like a standard size HDMI. Here you go, it comes with a little tripod also, so you can set that up and you can mount it right there, so depending on how you want to watch the video. You can also hold it, nice little hand grip on there, it's kind of lightweight. Have a USB cable, and then finally have the remote for the ViewPro. So we got the full remote right there with all the different options. Now this remote looks almost identical to the remote for the other ClonerAlliance products, which is really great. So a lot of the same features, easy to use. So let's get this stuff out of the way. Go ahead and we're going to open this up. Take that off there. Ooh, look at that pretty color. Right inside, nothing else there. Nice and cushiony and soft, going to keep it nice and protected. It has a 7-inch large LCD screen, a built-in speaker so you can hear stuff on playback. It will also give you the feature of going live using the bundled included software called ClonerAlliance Helper. And we have all our inputs. We have power, PC out, VGA, audio in, inputs, MMI ins, you got your LCD on, off. So that is what's included in the box of the ViewPro from ClonerAlliance. Make sure to look for the video of the full demo and review. I'm super excited about checking this out, using it for backing up old movies without having to worry about a PC or other hardware. Straight into it. All we gotta do is just plug in a USB hard drive or USB stick or even a SD slot right there that you see, and then we're gonna be all set. Back it up in 1080p. So that right there is the ViewPro from ClonerAlliance.